Have you ever delved into the mysteries of the Bible and found yourself lost in its profound depths? Today, let's unearth the treasures hidden within the book of Hosea, a poignant narrative that challenges and invites us into a deeper understanding of divine love and mercy. Hosea is not just a book, it's a dramatic love story set against the backdrop of ancient Israel's tumultuous relationship with God. Imagine, if you will, a prophet who is commanded by God to marry a woman of infidelity, Gomer. This isn't just a mere directive, but a divine allegory of how God views his relationship with Israel. Intrigued yet? As we move through the chapters, Hosea's personal life unfolds almost as a mirror to the spiritual adultery of the Israelites. The people, much like Gomer, have turned away from their covenant with God, chasing after false idols and betraying the very essence of their divine relationship. Hosea's relentless love for Gomer symbolizes God's unwavering love for his people despite their transgressions. But what can Hosea teach us today? At its core, Hosea is a call to return to faithfulness. It's about repentance and the hope of restoration. It's a vivid reminder that no matter how far we stray, reconciliation is always within reach. This message resonates deeply in a world where fidelity is often fleeting. In Hosea 11:8, we hear God's heartbreaking plea. How can I give you up, Ephraim? How can I hand you over, Israel? These words echo the depth of God's commitment to us, even when we falter. It challenges us to reflect on our own commitments to our faith, to our loved ones, and to the values we hold dear. As we wrap up our journey through Hosea, let's carry with us the profound lessons of love, mercy, and forgiveness. Let us not just read Hosea, but live its truths, embodying a faith that endures, a love that perseveres, and a hope that never fades. Thank you for joining me in exploring the enigmatic and compelling world of the book of Hosea. May this exploration enrich your understanding and inspire your spirit.